So today we're going to talk about how to find the area of a right triangle. But we're going to start by talking about the formula for finding the area of a right triangle. That formula is, hold on, let me get rid of that. That formula is area equals base times the height divided by 2. But I want to talk about how we do that by using a rectangle, or you could also use a square. So let's talk about what we know about rectangles or squares. The first thing that we know is that rectangles have 4 right angles. We also know that rectangles have opposite sides that are of the same length or opposite sides that are congruent. Lastly, we know that if I take a rectangle and I bisect it, or I divide it, and I divide it correctly, that I can turn this rectangle into 2 right triangles. So let me show you my right triangles here now that I have that right. Here's one of them. And here is the right angle in that one. And here is the other in green. It's very hard to see, sorry about that. And there's the right angle in that one. We also know that when we find the area of a rectangle or the area of a square, that we use area equals length times width. So if this is my length and it's 10 centimeters, and this is my width and it is 8 centimeters, that means that the area of the entire square or entire rectangle is 80 centimeters squared. But let's say that I only want to know what the area of this right triangle is. Then I can take the 80 centimeters squared, or the 8 times 10, and I can use this formula. I can divide that by 2, and I can see that the area of this right triangle is 40 centimeters squared. How super cool is that?